Hello children, welcome back to the social science class of 6th grade. Children, we have been discussing about the climate regions of the Africa. So, the absence of the high mountains, other weathers divides the permit free circulation of the air in Africa because if you compare it to Europe and Asia, Africa is having a few mountains. So, few mountains, the absence of the mountains, the air will circulate freely throughout the African continent. And the rainfall of the Africa, the rainfall played very important role in African climate, very important role, very powerful role in climate of the Africa. Rainfall is the heaviest along with the equatorial region of the Africa. Equator means central part of the Africa. Rainfall is a heavy rainfall, heaviest rainfall means 2 centimeter 200 centimeter rainfall will be there in annual average rainfall of the equatorial forest region of the Africa, and which decreases to the from away from the equator in a Sahara desert and Kalahari desert. Sahara desert and Kalahari desert, Namibia desert, the rainfall of this desert area is only 15 centimeter, where Kalahari, Namibia and Sahara desert means this northern part of the Africa, this desert is there. So in this desert area only 15 centimeter means this area get lowest rainfall in Africa. So and which region gets the highest rainfall in Africa? That is Cameroon region. Cameroon region gets a highest rain of the Africa, highest rainfall in Africa, that is a 1016 centimeter rainfall. As Sahara, Kalahari, Namibia deserts, these area get only 15 centimeter rainfall, and Cameroon region is the wettest place of the Africa. This area gets a highest rainfall means 1016 centimeter rainfall. So the Africa of the climate can be divided into the eight parts. Eight climatic regions are there in Africa. So first one, the wet equatorial climate region. Second one, the savanna type of the climate region. Third one, tropical desert climate region. Fourth one, Mediterranean climate region. Fifth one, the temperate grassland. Sixth one, highland climate region. Seventh one, humid subtropical climate region. Eighth one, dry winter subtropical climate region. So we will discuss one by one. So first one, the wet equatorial climate region. This type of the climate region found in a central part of the Africa, especially from Congo basin to Guinea basin area. So Congo forest to Guinea forest, in this area we can see the wet equatorial climate region. The wet equatorial climate region, this area extend from the Congo to the Congo basin to Guinea basin area to the west. The type of the climate region is very hot, wet throughout the year. Very hot and wet throughout the year, and this area will get highest rainfall. This area will get the highest rainfall, especially in um afternoon, every afternoon. This is the one type the convocational rain. It is convocational rain means due to the heat or due to the hot condition, rainfall will be there in afternoon. So this area has a unpleasant climate means very unhappy climate means climate is not good in this area. This is this area is having the unpleasant climate. This is first one, wet equatorial climate region. Second one, savanna, the savanna climate region. So this type of the climate we can see in Somalia, Ethiopia. These are all East African countries, Somalia and Ethiopia. Sudan, Chad, Niger, these are all Central African countries. So this area extend from the Somalia to the Niger, because large area of the Sudan is in this region. So this is known as a Sudan type of the climate region. So it has the highest temperature in Africa. Heavy rainfall will be there in summer season. So temperature is lower in a eastern part of the Africa. Temperature will be lower in eastern part of the Eastern highland, then lowland. Eastern highland means Ethiopia and Somalia. Temperature will be very lower than Sudan, Chad, and Niger. This is third one, tropical desert climate region. So in this climate, Africa is having a two desert areas, northern and southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere, Sahara desert is there. Northern hemisphere, Sahara desert is there. Southern hemisphere, Kalahari and Namibia deserts are there. In this region, summers are very hot, winters are very cold. In this region, summers are very hot. People will suffer it very hot. People will suffer in the summer situation, summer days, because summers are very hot and winters are very cold. There is a great difference between day and night temperature than between summer and winter season. So winter will be very cold, summer will be very hot. So climate will be too dry. This area, two areas gets a scanty rainfall, means less rainfall. This area gets less rainfall. So every desert area gets a less rainfall. Next, Mediterranean climate region. This Mediterranean climate region is there in northern part and southern tip of the Africa. This type of the climate we can see in northern and southern tip of the Africa Mediterranean climate region, because this Mediterranean climate region is very close to the Mediterranean Sea, which includes the Morocco, northern Algeria, and Cape Province of the South Africa. Cape Province of the South Africa. It is a too hot. It is a hot and dry in a summer, wet in a winter season. So this area, Mediterranean climate region, gets a rainfall in only winter season. Only winter season. Some places are in Africa. Some places will get rainfall in summer season. Some places will get rainfall in winter season. This is the Mediterranean climate region of the Africa. Next, the temperate grassland region of the Africa. This type of the climate we mainly found in a interior part, means internal part of the South Africa, because the distance from the sea, which experiences great difference between a summer and a winter temperature. In South Africa, summers are very hot, winters are cold. So both season will get a scanty rainfall, means less rainfall. Summer season, this area gets grassland will get less rainfall, and as well as the winter season, this area will get less rainfall. And next, the highland region of the Africa. This region is mainly found in Ethiopia highland. This mainly found in Ethiopia. Ethiopia is a East African countries. This area, this type of the climate mainly found in Ethiopia and East African countries. East African countries. So due to the high elevation climate, due to the high elevation, means some mountains are there. East African countries having some type of the mountains, because of the elevation, because of the height, this area will be cooler in a rain. With this area, this climate will be very cold in a winter season. So rainfall of this area will then this area will get a very scanty rainfall, means less rainfall. This rainfall will occur only summer season, summer season in East African countries. So this is about the highland region climatic. This is a highland climatic region. Next, seventh one, humid subtropical climate region. This type of the climate region mainly found in, along with the Drakensberg range. Drakensberg range means east north. Sorry, southeast coast. Southeast coast. This type of the climate mainly found in this region, along with the Drakensberg, which includes Madagascar. Summers are very hot, rainy. Summers are very hot and rainy. So whereas winters are wet and dry, where along with the Drakensberg range. And next, dry winter subtropical climate region. It is mainly found in southeast coast of the Africa, especially Mozambique, Madagascar, and Tanzania. Southeast coast of the Africa. So where summers are hot and wet, whereas winters are mild and dry. Summers are hot and wet, whereas the winter side mild and dry. The rainfall is similar to the wet equatorial climate region, means last climate region, but temperature is modified by the altitude and frost. Temperature will be modified. Temperature will be variation. Temperature will be very in variation because of the altitude. Altitude means a height place. So these are all climatic regions of the Africa. Thank you, children.